Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how and when to use adrenaline in Escape from Tarkov. My adrenaline is already ready here, so let's see what it does. First of all, it has a very fast use time. It removes pain for 60 seconds and contusion for 60 seconds. It's quite a very short-ranged painkiller, so I wouldn't recommend to use it like that. It improves your endurance, your skill, and that's the big name in the game. It's recoil control and stress resistance. It also increases your health regeneration and decrease your health and energy recovery. So basically you will lose way more hydration and energy during the under effect of adrenaline. When you want to use it, you want to use it when you are in a fight, when you are fighting other PMCs and you really need your recoil control game top notch. So you really want to give it all, you really want to kill them, you want your arms and your weapon to behave like they should to get the most of it. That's basically it. It's quite cheap. You can also bind it in your tactical rig, let's say under letter 6. I covered this in previous videos, how you can make a keybinds on your tactical rigs. So thanks for watching. Hopefully it will help you, and see you in the next video.